Hello friends, welcome to my channel Lime. Let's learn internal medicine in an easy way. We are discussing about drugs used in intensive care unit. In previous video we learnt about dopamine, link for which it is given in the description. In this video we are going to learn about adrenaline. It is also known as epinephrine. It's available in 1 mg per ml ampule. Adrenaline is an endogenous catecholamine that is released by adrenal medulla in response to physiological stress. In physiological stress, our sympathetic system gets activated and it stimulates adrenal medulla to release adrenaline. Adrenaline is a non-selective catecholamine which acts on alpha and beta receptors. It acts on beta 1 receptor in the heart and increases the heart rate, and it also increases the stroke volume, and it acts on alpha 2 receptors and increase the blood pressure. Clinical use of adrenaline. Adrenaline is used in resuscitation of cardiac arrest, anaphylaxis and anaphylactic shock, it provides hemodynamic support in early post-op period in case of cardiopulmonary surgeries. Dosing. In case of cardiopulmonary resuscitation, 1 mg per ml is given IV every 3 to 5 minutes. In case of laryngeal edema, (0.25 ml) is mixed with 2 ml of NS and it is given by nebulization. Dilution for it is 1:100, that is 10 mg per ml, which is usually not available. In such cases, 0.5 ml of 1:1000 dilution in 1.5 ml of NS can be used. In case of anaphylaxis, (0.3 to 0.5 mg of adrenaline is given as deep IM, preferably in the thigh. Patients who may develop severe allergic reaction to food, drugs and insect bite may prescribe epinephrine auto-injector. Patients may carry this EpiPen with them. When she or he develops severe allergic reaction, they can inject by themselves before it becomes a life-threatening condition. In case of pulseless electrical activity, 1 mg of adrenaline and 10 ml is given as IV every 3 to 5 minutes. Dilution for it is 1:10,000. (1 to 10,000) dilution contain 0.1 mg per ml of adrenaline. In anaphylactic shock, adrenaline is given as infusion. One ampule of adrenaline is mixed with 100 ml of NS. And it is infused at the rate of 30 to 100 ml per hour. Dilution will be 1:1 lakh. Usual dose of adrenaline for augmenting cardiac output or to correct hypotension is 5 to 15 micrograms per minute. Calculation. Two ampules of adrenaline is mixed in 500 ml of NS. That is 2 mg in 500 ml NS. So 1 ml will contain 2 by 500, that is 0.004 mg. That is 1 ml is equal to 4 micrograms. For calculation of flow rate, the formula is what we want divided by what we have into quantity. For example, if we want to infuse 5 micrograms, 5 into 1 into 60. 1 is the quantity in ml and 60 is to convert into hours, divided by what we have, that is 4 micrograms per ml, the drug concentration that we have calculated. The flow rate will come around 75 ml per hour. To calculate drops per minute, the formula is flow rate into drop factor divided by 60. The flow rate we have calculated is 75 ml per hour into 16. 16 is the drop factor divided by 60. Drop factor in usual drip set is 16. It will come around 20 drops per minute. Adverse drug effects. Unwanted cardiac stimulation which can deteriorate patients of coronary artery disease. In adipose tissue, beta receptor stimulation causes increased lipolysis. In liver, it increases glycolysis and increased lactic acid production. It causes hyperglycemia from beta receptor mediated inhibition of insulin secretion. It also causes splanchnic hypoperfusion which can damage mucosal barrier. In next video, we will be learning about noradrenaline. Like, share and subscribe and click the bell icon to get the notification. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.